In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. It's a simple process that allows you to gain more control and insights into your financial data, making your accounting tasks easier and more efficient. So let's dive straight into this step-by-step guide. First, we need to sign in to Zoho Books. On the homepage, locate the sign in button and give that a click. Next, you'll be prompted with different sign-in options. Here we're going to choose the Google option to streamline our login process. Once you select Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Simply choose the account you want to use. Now do keep in mind that depending on your internet speed, this might take a little time to load, so be patient as the system processes your sign-in. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You can find this by heading to the top right corner of your dashboard and selecting the gear icon, which represents settings. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with various options. Now, we need to focus on the customization section. This is located at the bottom of the settings menu. Scroll down until you reach this section and click on it. Within customization, you'll find the reporting tags option. Go ahead and click on reporting tags to proceed. Once you're in the reporting tags area, you'll want to create a new tag. Look for the button labeled new tag and click on it. This will prompt you to enter a new tag name, which is essentially a label that describes the type of data you want to categorize. Think about a meaningful name that clearly indicates the purpose of this tag for easy identification later. Next, you'll need to add options to your reporting tag. Options are specific categories that fall under your main tag name. For instance, if the tag name is departments, your options could be sales, marketing, and HR. You'll find a section to add these options, so enter them accordingly, separating each option with a comma. After you have added all the relevant options, the final step is to save your new reporting tag. Locate the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right corner of the screen, and click it. This action ensures that all your configured settings are preserved and your new reporting tag is ready for use in Zoho Books. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. By categorizing your financial information, you'll be able to generate more detailed reports and gain better insights into your business operations. Thank you for following along. We hope this guide made it easy for you to implement reporting tags in your workflow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy accounting!